So just as before, we're going to have to multiply each term in this equation by the lowest common denominator of 4 and 3 in order to get rid of all the fractions in the equation and make it easier on ourselves to solve. So the lowest common denominator here is going to be for 4 and 3 is 12. And so when we multiply both sides by 12, we end up with 12 times a quarter on the left-hand side, and and also times x minus 3. And so when we multiply the quarter by 12, we're also multiplying everything in the bracket by 12 as well. So we don't need to multiply a second time. And same on the right-hand side, all we have to do is multiply 1/3 by 12, and that's going to multiply everything in the bracket by 12 as well. So the left-hand side of the equation is going to simplify 12 times a quarter, or 12 quarters, simplifies to be 3 or 3 whole. And 12 times 1/3 or 12 thirds is the same then as 4. So we end up with 3 on the left-hand side, 3 times x minus 3, and on the right-hand side, we have 4 times x minus 2. Second step is to expand any brackets that are present. So we're going to multiply each term in the bracket by the coefficient in front of the bracket. So 3 times x minus 3 will simplify to be 3x minus 9. And on the right-hand side, 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Next, what we are going to do, same as before, is subtract get rid of the term with the variable from the right-hand side. So we're going to subtract 4x in order to get rid of the terms with the variable. And actually, what I'll do is switch this around because it'll simplify to get rid of a step later on. So we're going to subtract 3x from both sides, and when we do this, we're going to end up with 3x minus 3x, which is 0, and we're still left with negative 9, and we're going to have 4x minus 3x minus 8, and that's going to simplify to be x. So we ended up with x minus 8 plus 8 is equal to negative 9 plus 8, and when we add 8 to both sides, we end up with x equals negative 1.